Hello! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the option, or rather, settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Now, scroll down and find the apps and notifications, and then tap on it. And here, find the option called App Info, and tap on it. And here we have the list of apps installed on our watch. And to uninstall the application, tap on it, then tap on Uninstall button, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And the app will be removed from your watch. Like this. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.